In this video we will see how to make two columns in Google Docs like this. Let's get started. Keep watching. First of all, select the text. After selecting the text, go to the format option. Under the format option, here you will see option columns. By default we are at the first column. You will see here 2 column and 3 column option. If you click on more options, you can specify the number of columns you want here. We want 2, so I will select here 2. You can then change the spacing between the two columns. At present it is 0.5, it is in inches. If you want a vertical line to appear between two columns, then check this and then click apply. And in this way we can make two columns in Google Doc. If this video helped you, please subscribe and don't forget to press that bell notification icon so you won't miss any updates. Thank you.